Good afternoon and welcome to the live webinar on My Mission Ambition, your gateway to your dream career course and college. Today we have with us Mr. Madhav. He has completed his MTech and is now associated with Punjab Group of Colleges. Sir, welcome to the live webinar at My Mission Ambition. Please start with today's topic.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm Madhav Prasad Kanal, basically from Nepal. I have done MTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and my specialization is in wireless communication. I'm teaching in Punjab Group of Colleges from 1 year, from last 1 year, and my research field is in wireless communication. First of all, I want to tell you all about my college, Punjab Group of Colleges. And Punjab Group of Colleges is established in 2002, uh, especially located in Ambala Chandigarh Highway, and it is affiliated by Punjab Technical University and AICT approved college. Okay. In Punjab Group of Colleges, there are three colleges. One is Punjab College of Engineering and Technology, one is Punjab Institute of Engineering and Applied Research, and one is Punjab Polytechnic College. And now I have to tell you about the streams and branches we are teaching here. And in BTech, there are five branches: civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and computer science engineering. And for diploma courses, it is same, but there is not available. Electrical engineering is not available in diploma courses. Now I want to tell you about electronics and communication engineering. In electronics and communication engineering, we teach you about electronics items and as well as communications system. In electronic system, we need to go through about the basic components we used in the electrical system and electronic system. And there is a bit of difference between electrical and electronics, and the components that work through the electrical support are commonly known as electronics. And electronics have various branches like digital electronics. Okay, and we teach you about digital electronics also, and about microprocessor, microcontroller, and control system, and various other subjects. And in communication system, the part of electronics and communication system, another part is communication system. In communication system, we teach you about analog communication, digital communication. Okay. In digital communication, especially about wireless communication, there are various fields in communication sectors. We teach you all about communication systems. In communication system, talking about myself, I teach you about wireless communication. The best part of the specialization in my field is wireless, WiMAX and Wi-Fi and all the things. When you pick up the phone and make your call, and dialing a number to the reaching the call to the destination. There is a part, transmitter and receiver. There between the side of receiver and transmitter, there is a channel. The whole system is taught to you in wireless communication.
That's great to know, sir. Could you tell us something about the placements that happen in
Yes,
your college in
yes,
this
yes.
department?
Uh, I will tell you about all the streams and placement details. Okay, the placements are quite good in our college. Actually, there are five streams. For different streams, there are different core companies. And going for the IT sector, they will prefer computer science engineering students, but they will take EC students and triple E students or electrical engineering students too. These these branches, students of these branches are eligible in IT sector. The companies are various MNCs, multinational companies visit in our campus. The average package goes about 3 to 3.5 lakh, and highest package in last year placement was 8 lakh per year. Okay. And talking about electronics and communication, there are you have advantage of IT sector and communication sector. IT sector, you can I can say that Accenture, SCL, Cognizant, and IBM. These are companies. Polaris, Mindtree. These are the companies you can go to by opting electronics and communication engineering. As well as you can go to communication sector also, like Airtel, Vodafone, and other Ericsson or networking companies. There's a huge benefit of electronics and communication engineering by seeing the future scope.
That's really wonderful, sir. Also, sir, can you tell us about the, I mean, some of the maybe your labs and the facilities, other kinds of facilities that you have for your students academically and otherwise.
Yes. Of course, ma'am, I will tell you everything. There are various labs. Actually, as a branches, as you choose, which branches we are opting about, and the labs varies according to your branches. Okay? And first year is almost same for all the branches, but from second year or second sem, the labs will vary. Okay, talking about electronics and communication labs. Firstly, we'll go through the basic components in labs about transistors, resistors, capacitors, and some of amplifiers. Okay, and we start to do labs step by step, and then we'll go to op amps. Okay, operational amplifiers. Then we'll go to further level and next level. The laboratory work will be level to level, and as well as you will learn about a microprocessor, microcontroller, and the programming we use to conduct in that microprocessor and microcontroller assembly language or C language. You can do the same in C language also. We will teach you all the languages we can use to program microprocessor and microcontroller. And at the end of, we can say that in 7th sem, you will be perfect to know about all the components and how they will work and how we can program a component and how we can initialize a program, and you will learn how to make a project, how to innovate things, how to make a new initialization in electronics era or communication era. Okay, talking about the projects, we can use electronics and communication combined together by using GSM model. Okay, by using GSM model, you can use some project. Okay, or automation system. You can make automation system that something is happening, so the message will come to your mobile. Okay, this is a innovative things. Okay, just like a home security system by using GSM model. This type of projects you can make, and robotic projects. All the projects you have to learn the coding. We will teach you in microprocessor and microcontroller.
So that really sounds very interesting, and I'm sure that all of the viewers who are listening to us right now and watching this webinar have found this discussion very helpful. And if you have anything more to share, then you can go ahead. Otherwise, we can conclude the webinar.
Yeah, I understand something, and after that we'll close the webinar. And electronics and communication is really an interesting field. Okay, you will learn many things. Everything around your area, environment, everything is connected. Yes, you are seeing only air, but lots of signals, lots of frequencies are traveling through us daily, and every minute, every second, even a microsecond. Lots of bits in the form of frequency or time divided frequency or frequency division. They are traveling through us, and this is something interesting. You will learn lot of things. Wireless communication is really very interesting field. You should join and do something innovative.
Thank you so much, sir. This has indeed been such a wonderful and informative discussion, and we look forward to having such discussions even in the future. Thank you so much for your time.